And hello everyone, welcome back to another day of working on Eindhoven scenery. So, let's see. This one is 12 meters. Let's make sure we're standing here at 12 meters. And I hear myself twice, so where it's coming from? Oh, this time from the Twitch. Okay, this is 30 meters and this should be 12 meters. So let's see. Is that one 12 meters? 1220, yeah, but I think the last one. Let's see again where it ends here. 1220. Interesting. Look at that. We have a light here. We have a fence here, so it's quite hard to see where it starts. But this one is 11, and this one probably is 1220. 1210. So, interesting. We have that one, and this one is 30 meters. And then we have another problem. It's too bad I cannot draw straight lines here. But yeah, it should be a little bit shorter. So we're talking here about, very hard to tell, 1201. Like 10 centimeters is what I'm missing here. Okay, no problem with that. We'll do 12 meters and then we always can add another 10 centimeters. But for that, first we need to locate the gutter. Or else, what we need to do is to take this one that we already took, and this is not a unique component. So we need to turn it into a unique component, and then we can start working with you. But before that, I want to see the 3D model, well, the mesh of that roof. So let's see. Oh, here it is. So gutter here, top here. Exactly as I thought it should be. So this one should be here. If this is the case, right, this is the case. Now we can stretch you a little bit. All the way to that point. And, oh, we have some troubles here. Oh, I missed that one. Before turning it into a unique component, you can do some corrections here. Better, okay. Now, one click, make unique text component, and now we can work freely on this component without losing anything. This is, no, this is a unique component, very good. So, that's gonna be interesting. It should be 12 meters, so first thing first, this one, make sure you're not working on that one, should be trimmed. Move. Okie dokie, all the way here. Let's see what this makes here. Well, probably not such a bad thing. Let's see. Move. And the glass will move here. And here we need to start. Okay, this painted like that. No problem with this one. And this one will be like that. So the question, should we turn it into 1210 or keep it 12? I think for 10 centimeters, it's not such a big deal. Good. Now here, probably it's also 1 centimeter. So we're talking about 1.2. How that happened? Okay, weird. So it should be 1 centimeter. Okay, move. Gonna bring it here, and then another 1 centimeter here. Enter. Whew. What about you? Is that a component? Yes, this is not unique. So make unique, then we can work with you. Very nice. And let's open the chat so I can speak with you. And oh, all right, we already have one on Twitch. This is our bots. So bots, go away. And on um, YouTube, well, it's just me for now, but probably you're gonna rewind that and see me tomorrow or a little bit later. So we will talk there. And that column should be 1.3. Why is 1.3? 1.3. Probably it's 1.25. I think I know why is that. But first let's do this one, and this one should be unique. Move all the way here. Good. Probably this one gets all the way here. Move. You will be here. And then we're gonna move you 1.25. I think this is gonna give us 1.3. Okay, so almost done here. Do we have our cat here? No, my cat is not here. Soon she will jump on the table and start asking for treats and food. And this is here. Alrighty, tighty. The gutter. Make unique. Oh, well, we simply can do that. You're not gonna affect anything here. Good. Okay, so now how much? 3 segments here. Now, let's edit that element from here, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Should they be unique? Yes. Now let's see. What can we edit? No, they are not good. So I turn you into a unique component. So I don't know what went wrong here. Let's turn you into unique again. No. Brrr, I hate you. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Let's simply explode this one and turn everything here to unique. So this way, this will be affected only here. Good. This is affected only here. Too bad. I can reuse them. It's just in elements. Well, at least I'm gonna save some time here. 1, 2, and someone want to get into my room. I want to enter here. And 3. Fine. Okay. This is affected here, so very good. And we want you to go all the way here. set this one with that face. This one will set with that face. And what about you? This is here. Good. So it looks like this one is not where it should be. Nope, nope, nope. All that. This is fine, so maybe this is the problem. Hello, my darling. My cat just jumped in. So, you came to annoy me, right? Well, meow, 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 meow. Come on. So, that's fine. Okay. Hello, hello. Nox 30. How are you? Let's turn this one. Yes, yes, I remember. Oh, sometimes you forget names, but I still remember you. How are you? Oh, I'm on Twitch and also on YouTube. Okay, so this is disconnected. That's very good. And this is connected to that one? No. So we need to trim you. Okay, this has been trimmed. I'm fine. Thank you for asking. So what we have here? Okay, it can be easily trimmed, but let's make sure I'm not ruining anything. No. Very nice. Move. Good. One, two, double click, delete. Same for this one. Yeah, I think that it's better to follow there. So notice that I don't have any, not have much viewers here on Twitch, and most of the comments are simply bots. So I have more viewers now on YouTube than here. Okay, we have some leftover here. Let's do a correction. Got it. And you delete that. Not good. Okay. Nope. Why so? Okay, I see. So we have a problem here. This should fix the problem. Still didn't fix the problem. Okay. Now it's fixed the problem. Oh yeah. Wait 1 second. I'm gonna send you the channel. I have so many YouTubes here open. Here it is. No, this is the wrong one. I think this is the right one. Oh, she jumped in, so I can turn on the camera. Hello, hello. My cat just jumped in into the session, so let's turn on the camera. Let's see, where is that? Video capture. Here it is, and here's our cat. Buzz, say hello. Yeah, here she is. Should jump to get warm a little bit here from the radiator. Not good. This component is infecting the rest, so let's see. If I'm gonna turn both of you into a unique one, you're gonna affect... No, no more affecting these ones. Very good. You're welcome. So I need to change my main source of streaming to YouTube right now, but it's can wait with that a little bit. I really want to get to the weekend to get some rest and do a little bit more work on the scenery. Yesterday I tried to stream, but a client get in, so I was forced to do some. Paspas, you want a treat? Do you want a treat? I'm not sure right now if she wants a treat or if she doesn't want a treat. Okay, so let's see. It's very hard to follow all your comments. No, not here, but so maybe here. Let's see. No, come on. Here we go. So, 1 second. Oh no, you see, disconnected there. So almost I made a mistake. So make unique. Now it's gonna work only here. And the next that come after him. And yeah, here. So you should align with that point. Very good. And you can move. Pum 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 pum. Here. Very good. So basically, the easier the hardest part is done. Hmm. How much I have here? That's interesting. This segment is 30 centimeters. I said that maybe this one should be a little bit thicker. So let's see. It's hard to tell where's the last segment. Where's the last segment? Is that the last segment? It's like 53 centimeters, 40 centimeters. Interesting. We have photo from here, so we can see a little bit better what's going on here. I think this is that region, area. This is the, yeah, this is the aviation club. And here's the last one. And this is the place. Oh, so now I see the problem. We have a utility panel. Well, not panel, that's called. Well, utility path for wiring going here. So maybe this one made some problems when I was looking at the photos from the aerial imagery. So, but I can see definitely this one comes here. And this utility cable is running, well, very hard to say where it's running, but somewhere on the parking, in the parking area. Oh, well, this is a very nice one. You can definitely see this section here. So we have the utility running here, but this comes over the utility, and this is a very big one. So interesting. I wonder if this is the same one. 1 second. Like we're seeing before it's breaking here. So it's definitely breaking here. And then we have 1 second. I'm really confused. I think I'm looking at this corner in the photo, but something is not quite right here. Like I have a fence. Just 1 sec. There's like a small one here, but this is after the bridge. And the last one should be small. No, no, it's just here. Oh, at least I can see the spacing of the columns, but not now. 1 second. So it's smaller, but how? This is not relevant. Like, yeah, there is a small one here. not helping me so much. Okay, but this is not the right place. This is the right place. Like, I'm not getting what's going on here exactly. I can add 10 centimeters here. Like, this is 30, and this is much more. This is like 72. This is 1 meter. Oh, come on, what an headache. What a spacing here. 23, 15. This will make some troubles here, but I can live with that. Okay, let's increase it by 10 centimeters. I already set it correctly, so 10 centimeters won't be a problem. 10. 10. Move. 10. Move. 10. Move. 10. Push pull. 10. Yeah, no problem with that one. Good. This one also will move 10. Very nice. Now the inner one. Move 10. You also, that one is correct. Oh. Uh, there's nothing to show right now. There's only two objects, and I'm still waiting for some friend to help me with building the folder for the project. So I won't be using the default one because I'm gonna use the complex one to define this airport, and that will allow me to create more than one BGL in the airport. And it's required some work. So I like really want to do the progress on the airport, but um, I'm put it on hold and right now working on the objects. But I hope this weekend I will be able to work more on placing objects in the scenery and start getting the final product. Yeah, but we are very close to get the beta. I like said that in a month or two I already will be in a beta phase and I will have something that I can work with. So I'm really looking to that moment when this when I get to this point. Okay, this is here. So let's say I want to take you and move you to the midpoint. Let's see, do you trimmed good? Yeah, this is trimmed here. This is trimmed here. So just need to take that one here and then we can take this one here. Now you are placed correctly. Same one to you, for you, to you, for you, or whatever it is. I think I posted some screenshots, very basic one, on my server with the preview of the airport, how it looks like, so you can get a glimpse view on the ground poly and how it looks like. Okay, this is done. Oh, so yeah, nothing new since then. Um, I did already made some corrections there, like for the some how to say it, broken textures that I found on the ground poly. So I worked on that part, but it's only fixed some minor problems. But yeah, this is simply a lot of headache to work on other things, like setting the structure of the folder correctly, because right now I created some subfolders and it simply doesn't want to read my custom models and doing a lot of things that suddenly don't work. So yeah, let's move you 10. That's fine. That's fine. Let's see that one. Probably I forgot something here. No, that's fine. Good. What about you? You're also fine. Okay. Oh, this one. No, that's fine. Oh, I want it to be done, not nice. I want it to be done already. We have a lot of headache also with that graphics here. So this segment is done, so I can start duplicating it. I think I can start duplicating it. I don't see any other mistakes here. The geometry looks fine. So yeah, why not? We have courage metal here, so well, I wonder what language is that. So it's Dutch, right? No, not Dutch. Yeah, Dutch. 1 second. Dutch is for Germans. What are you speaking in Netherlands? Oh, for 1 second. Dutch. Okay, in Germany it's Dutch. Also Dutch. Well, now I'm really confused. Like I thought Dutch is only for the Germans. Okay, that, so okay, okay, that's good. Now we can do another one, two, three, another three. So I'll take you. One, two, and three. Good. This aligned correctly. This can be stretched a little bit. And this is fine. One, two, three, and four. And then we have a closed one, and I'm going back to our chat. Oh, well, we need to do this. So this is going to be fighting with when I will be fighting with ChatGPT for that one. Maybe we can just have some fun with ChatGPT now. Not you. Well, let's see if it works because I said that probably this thing will be done with ChatGPT and how many temp folder I have here. Model I, not needed. Which one I'm working on? Phones. Yeah, we don't need phones. 801. Projected mesh. Okay, simply need to pick up the right folder. Um, so we have the photos. Now let's see. Let's take this one. There is some graphic and we want to open ChatGPT. Good, here you are. Go here. Very nice. Okay, so here we are. Not you. I want it here. 1 second. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit tired today, so my thoughts are not running as quickly as my mouse is running. So we got this photo, and we're gonna tell him there is some icon and silhouette black printed graphics on the glass ceiling. Please regenerate them uh, into a PNG texture. Hmm. Okay, he's definitely generating something. It doesn't look promising so much. Okay, something is being generated here. Okay. Phew, I think for 1 year in total, if non-stop. But on and off, I think 2 years. Yeah, 2 years it's gonna be. So it's not bad and not good. I had the same problem with one of the building textures. I asked ChatGPT to build a texture, and it did it very well. But when you're going to fine tuning, like to fit the texture correctly on the building, it doesn't work. And I was sitting for 2, 3 hours with ChatGPT, and in the end, I decided it will be much better for me to simply model what I need and not trying to create one sheet texture from ChatGPT. That I was still fighting him. I even draw him how the texture should look like with all the proportions of all the segments, and well, but here it's I don't know, like we do get some similarity to the image. Where's the photo? 1 second, let's say photos. I uploaded him this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere, but I want them to be a line like a list of graphics after flattening the icons and flattening them, flattening. It's double casing. Well, you're gonna fix me? Flattening, yes. The icons from the perspective, image, perspective. Here is more. Okay, here is more reference photo of these icons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this is it. Well, I need to scout the internet for all the photos I can find of these icons here. Let's see. I'm simply gonna throw it here. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Send. Okay. Well, look like he did something. Oh, okay. It simply did the same thing now, but he aligned it. Okay, I can tell him doing it one by one, but for now, let's keep working on the model and not wasting time on some fantasies about ChatGPT building a project. That's why, guys, you won't lose your job so soon. So we need to get there. Oh, I forgot where it should get. Maybe here? Oh, yeah, did it. Is that correct? Yep, 10 centimeters. Okay. And 1, 2, and 3. Now let's align all of you. This is correct here. Yep. Okay, good. What about you? We need to stretch you a little bit. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it's getting smaller. That's a problem, little bit of a problem, but we can solve it. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. It's always 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Right. So I'm starting getting the things that work here. This is not correct, so I can do only 2, I think, right? 1 second, something is wrong. That's weird. Let's take a look. So this is the aviation club, the aviation center. So 1. Okay. That's interesting. Like we have a broken one here. That's interesting. Do we have another place that things like that happens? Yeah, it happens here. You know what I'm saying here? Like, maybe this one is flat, or maybe I'm just imagining. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Like, one. Huh. Yeah, we have problem here. Oof, well, I need a 1 second. Not the thing I wanted to open. I want to open that. Turn off the camera. Take a small break here. And yeah, we'll take a break, guys, and be with you soon. Meanwhile, I'm gonna open some entertainment. And I'm back. Cat, stop drinking. Here we go. So, let's see who's joined to the conversation. No one today. Interesting. So, this is the next segment we need to build. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least we have 6 here. Right. Okie dokie. So now we need to first let's turn you into a unique. Better, right? Right. Okay, so we need to start trimming and cutting it. Here we go. So we get here, and then it breaks. That's gonna be interesting. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do that. First, we need to trim you, right? Right. Let's make sure this one gets trimmed correctly. Very nice, 09er. This is fine here. Oops, sorry. That's fine. Okay. Let's copy all of that into the skeleton. Shift V. 1, Control C. Shift V. And we want to go up. So it starts here, I know, but it goes all the way up. Let's go here and here. So this is how it's breaking here. Interesting. So what I can do is try to move you on that axis here and take that too and move them. Just wonder if it's gonna keep the same width of that element. No, it's not keeping the same width. Huh. So at least I have this one, and that should be offsetted 5, if I remember correctly. Let's take a look. Is that 5? Yes, this is 5. Line. Let's try to do close face here. Face has been closed. Very nice. So now we want to take you from here all the way. Okay. Move. Nice. Done here and here. It's more than 5 if this is the case. Right. So this should get here. And that gets here. And now we need to carefully cut it. Oh, I see the troubles here. So we need to go that direction. Delete. This has been closed. Painted. Close and painted. Close and painted. Close and painted. Let's wrap you here. So here it's fine. Here I should rebuild it. So where it ends. So from here we should close another line here. Very good. Now we can remove that one and remove the leftovers. Oh, bucket out. Nope. I made a mistake here. So what went wrong? Delete. One is here. one is here. Okay, let's see, you should be 5. This is 5, so my mistake was here. Delete. Let's do that. Nope. I should go here. Let's remove that one, and this is 5, and I think we are almost done. No. Oops. It's gonna be a very long time consuming thing. Looks like. Okay, dokie. Let's see. Is that clean? No, there's some left over here. Now it's clean. Just want to make sure everything here is almost fine. Come on. It's like not intersecting correctly. Control Z. Now it's fine. Delete. Looks like no. Delete. No, it's fine. Move. So it has been trimmed correctly. Very nice. Now we need to do the same thing for that friend here. And this should be trimmed 1 centimeters inside. Okie dokie. That's a problem. Do we need to work on the red one? Apparently. But 1 centimeters inside. 1 centimeter. I hope it's 1 centimeter. Let's take a look here. 1 centimeters, correct. Okay, make unique. Move. Oh, no, you should get deeper. Let's not get it too deep, but that looks fine now. But I did break the texture. Position. Okie dokie. Bucket, Alt, Paint, and Paint. Let's make sure no outer texture been messed up. And yes, outer texture been messed up. Texture position. So let's rotate you like that. And then rotate you again 90 degrees. Bucket Alt from here to here and wrap it here. Why are you not wrapping it correctly? Oh, damn. I don't like it. Rotate 90 degrees. Enter. Good. Now that one, texture position. Enter. Fine. So apparently this one is fine, but we have other problems here, like that beams going in different direction. Hmm. So let's take you again. Gonna bring you here, all the way here. Good. And turn you into a unique. Cold, cold, cold. Cold, 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 cold. Mm. So let's get back to our chat and see what you're saying there. Okay, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Hmm. Move 5 centimeters. Does it work on that direction, I wonder? Just wonder. No, it's like broken a little bit. Unless I made a mistake here. I pushed pulled it. Why? Okie dokie. Move 5. Ooh, that's bad. Okie dokie. Here it's done. And here it's done. Oh no. Let's see. 4.9er, not good. No, 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 no. I see the mistake here. Oh, damn. Not good at all. Something went wrong, something went wrong. Unless this one is not built correctly. No, it's on the 0. Yeah, it's not right. Scheiße. Okie dokie. Is that going up straight? Yes. Hmm. What the hell? What the hell? Why you are not working correctly? Push pull. I don't know. I did something wrong, but I don't know what. Like, this is not needed. That's what you're saying. This is... No, I want it to be 5. 4.9er. Well, nobody gonna know. Let's keep removing that. Hmm. Hello, hello. Thank you for joining. I just forgot if the front face is... What is the front face? Let's see. Front face is red. Okay, and should remember that the front face is red. So this one is already trimmed, so all of the rest is leftovers. So you can go, and this is a back face. Good. Something strange happened here. Nope. Push-pull, 7.5. This is a back face, so let's rotate you to be a front face. This can go. This has a lot of messed up things here, but I do think I managed to fix that one. Now let's make sure everything aligned correctly. 5 centimeters, unless I forgot the face here. No, it's faceless. Damn. That's gonna be a headache. So first let's paint the upper. Nope. Let's paint the upper one from here to here. Why? Why? Why that happened? I know why it's happened. I ruined it. Okay, better. I should be here inside and then I can paint it again. 1 second. Good. Let's turn off the K. Good. Bucket, paint. That's done. So we have a little bit broken thing here. Delete. So also here I have a lot of troubles. Leftovers, you see. We have some messed up things here. I hope it's fine now. Bucket out. Face, and I told you, take that face. No. Why? There's no texture here? There should be texture here. Ah, come on. What's going on here? Okay. Bucket out. Bucket paint. Okay, let's see what else can I do with that intersection here. Let's inspect some photos. Okay. Ugh. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Here we have something, but this is from the inside. Oh, what have I done? Here, here, what we have here. So this one is breaking, and here it's... Oh, it's also has an angle. Beautiful. Interesting. Okay. Why I did that? I don't know. Oh yeah, also I want to take a look at the photo from the up, 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 up. I did the first one, and this one gets to the end. Interesting. Okay, this one is not needed here. So we can trim that one. We can trim that one. We're gonna trim this one. And this one will be trimmed. But I still have a very serious problem here. What is that? Line. I hope it fixed the problem. No, it did not fix the problem. Delete, delete, delete. Push pull, push pull. And done. Erase. Okay, I can erase it from the bottom. Delete, delete. Come on, be deleted. Let's remove that one and that one. And it's almost done, but guys, there's such annoying problems here. We have some left over here. Good. Tired, so tired. So tired. Right. So the only way to fix it is simply push-pull it. Bucket out. Something wrong here. Like this is correct, but after that, it's not correct anymore. So if I'm gonna try to look on that one, go all the way here, this is fine, but at the bottom probably we have a problem. So let's inspect the bottom. I'll take this line and I'm gonna stretch it all the way here. Delete, delete. No, it's not here. What is going on here? Maybe we have duplicated lines. Delete. Yeah. Nope. Delete. Okay. There's much more problems here. We can also try to push-pull it. I'm gonna duplicate this space to the bottom. And it's making more problems. Oh, it's already set. Oh, my mistake, guys. My mistake. Let's simply paint it, and this one is closed. Good, this one is closed, so now we can go to that one. Great. Now, this is painted. This one is painted. Well, to be more precise, we need to also cut this one and this one. Good. Now we need to move you 5 centimeters. Come on. Move. Let's look on this side. 5. Enter. Good. Oh, we don't need that one. Now we can disable that one. I really need to find other colors for back faces. Delete. We need to do that one all the way here. Delete. Push-pull. 7.5. 7.5, and now we are done. This should be deleted. 705. 705. Now cleanups. Bucket out. Oh, come on, take it. Thank you. This should be cleaned. Bucket out. Pocket out. Don't like it, but can work with you. Oh, I thought I pulled you. 705. Okay, move. One is here. One is here. Oh, we have some troubles here. And done. I hope there is no leftovers. Yes, a little bit here. Good. Oh, I'm a bit tired of that. Let's see what you have to say there. Oh, nothing? 1 second, my cat here in the... Why she's meowing? Okay, so we can delete this one, delete this one. This one is done. So delete, delete. At least we already made this one. We can start working on the next one. Oh, this has also been trimmed. But here we have something else to do. You know what? It's too bad I removed that one. Let's keep that one and try to adjust you with that on the red one. One here. No, you. One is here. I hope I'm not ruining others. Nope, this is correct. And that one. Oh, I see some things still can be fixed. Oh, here I made a mistake. Move. You should be on that face. Ugh. Good. Escape. So we have a lot of leftovers. Okay, delete, 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 delete. Good. Erase. Escape. So that's fine. We just need to realign the textures on this segment. And that's broken. Why you're broken? When did I broke you? Not good. Not good at all. You should be here. Okay, now you should be fine. And we fixed it. Nope. And we haven't fixed that one. Try to fix it again. Move. On the red. Looks like you're already sitting on the red. So apparently this one is not sitting on the red. It also sits on the red. But why? It should be a straight face. I don't know why it's not doing that. Ugh. There is other things I can do. Delete. Control C. Shift V. and make unique. Oh no, we should not make you unique because you're already special one. Good. Now we can take that point, take it all the way here, and then we can stretch you. Okay, weird. Move. Okay, good. Okay, weird. I think I need to reset this texture. Reset, reset, reset texture. Reset. Reset. Good. Nice. But I'm not satisfied with the geometry here. Oh, yeah, definitely not good. Maybe I should have kept that way. Ugh. Mm. Let's delete it. Let's try it again. Control V. One is here, and one is here, but two, you should be longer. Not good. No, 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 no. I don't want to model it from scratch, but maybe modeling it from scratch will be easier. Let's take you. Control C. Shift V. Move again. So it sits here on the 0, 0. It's like that way. So you should be here. Unless the problem is somewhere here. Mm-hmm. Now I need to do it from here. This should get... Oh, so it's not getting to the end. Oh, I see the problem. Okay, we need to bring at least one of them here so we can know what I'm doing. I know it's gonna be a very challenging segment. Okay, you should get here. What will happen if I'm try to fix you? And also you should be at the same pace. Right, right. Let's do best and see how you're gonna set this one correctly. This one is already broken. Nope. What can I do next? Can take you, can take you, can take you, and can take you, turn you into a group. This is an option, and then we can try run a UV map. 1 second, probably we have more than what we need. Soften. Still not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is correct. Soften. You know what? Let's do it the different way. Delete, 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 Control A, create face. Okay, that's fine. How many segments? 2 segments will be enough. Um, Triangulate. You've been triangulated. Pocket paint. Now we're gonna run the texture. Good. Now this one has been done, so I'm happy about that one. We can remove that one, that one, that one, and probably we can duplicate this guy from here to here and flip you, or not flip you. We can do reverse face, and it's broken. Damn. 1, 2. Very nice. We already applied this texture. Just want to make sure it's closing correctly. Well, finally, something is working. But now that doesn't look correct. Shit, shit, shit. Where are you, my friend? You are here. Now you are here. And you should get... Okay, that was my mistake. Da, 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 da. Move. It should go back. How much back? All the way here. Nope. Okay. Mm-hmm. Move. Okay. Okay. Good. Delete, delete. Move. Oof. Damn. One here. One here. Hidden. Okay. Now we can finish the rest. Texture. Position. Rotate 90 degrees. Let's hope it's gonna work that way. Almost. Position. Rotate 90 degrees. Enter. Okay, that's broken. I see all that direction is broken, so soften. Yeah, too much softening. Let's bring it down. Raise, nope. Raise, raise. Bucket. Ooh, why this bucket doesn't work? Position. Rotate 90. Enter. Rotate 90. One. Bucket, bucket. From here, can we simply duplicate it here? No. Each one of them should be aligned. That's a little bit of a headache. Rotate 90. Texture, position. Rotate 90. And now that one. Position. Rotate 90. When it's done, nope, here. Rotate 90. Hmm. Bucket. Maybe from here to here. Oh, I see the problem. Rotate. Nice. First one is done. Okay, that was pretty long, much longer than what I expected. And again, I'm getting cheap views. I like cheap views. Oh, in this case, you should be unique. And we should bring you here. Good. Now this one. Make unique. Ugh, good. So now this one should be moved here, and then another one. What the? Oh, that's not right. We made a mistake. Explode. All that should be exploded. Damn. Relay. Explode. I made a mistake. So what went wrong? What went wrong? Ta 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 wrong. Ta 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 ta. What went wrong? Ta 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 ta. What went wrong? Ta 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 ta. What went wrong? 1.8. The last one. 0 niner. Hidden lines. No, I did it without hidden lines. That's bad. Okay, let's hope everything is broken. Move. Like it should be here, and this one. Come on. Why so? Ah, hmm. Move. 1 0.8. That's correct. Yeah, looks like. I already broke it, so nothing to fix here. We need to run this texture again. Make group. 1, 2. Come on. Paint it, please. 1 and 2 and 3. Doesn't want to do that. Should I build it from scratch? 1, 2. Oh, at least that worked. Make group. How that one is... Oh, that one is almost complete, but not complete as I wanted it to be. 1, 2. Good evening, Patrick. How are you? As you can see, I'm fighting a lot with that object today. Having a lot of troubles. Okay, at least this one is clean. Hidden lines. Still trying to figure out what I did wrong here with that guy. Uh, you know what? Let's start from scratch. Everything from scratch. I'm simply not satisfied with that result here. Like, I'm thinking I can do it better. And this reddish don't need you anymore. Well, I could be better, but I'm working on a very complex area here, so it's not that well. I thought it's gonna be easier, but apparently trimming them is a little bit of headache. So again, I'm gonna take you from here to here. Here are definitely sits on the 0, and here we should stretch you to get here. Okay, first thing is done. Now let's align you to that point. So you should align here. Next thing we want to do is take the all hidden lines. Is that include hidden lines? Let's see. Just need to include hidden lines, K, hidden lines. How to know if I'm looking at hidden lines? Okay, hidden lines. Okay, now it's with hidden lines. Okay, now I want to work on this axis and bring you here. Good. Now we want to take this one too, and we're gonna work on the red axis, and let's bring you to that surface. So apparently this and this not at the same. Interesting, interesting. So apparently you and you are not on the same axis. The only question, is it still workable? No, it's not workable anymore. Ah, that's a lot of headache. Too much headache. Oh, my back. And voila, my most favorite part. We have a crash. We have a crash. So, let's go and bring the backup. Well, when you have 40 megabytes of free space on the computer, you should prepare for losing your project. 1 second. Why that happened? Let's see. AutoCAD. Yeah, Control S. I don't need that anymore. Just want to see if we have any improvement here. Yeah, I think he tried to do an autosave, and then we have this crash when he understood that there is no more space on the computer to do the autosave. So you're doing the most logical thing, not telling you that you are out of space. Simply, no, no, let's crash. Okay, let's see where I'm standing now. They're not getting all this catch. Arena crash. HEH. Should delete. Mm, I will try to go over our things here. Let's see. I need to go to users. This PC. Users. Me. Application data. Local. Temp. Where's the temp? I think it's been some time since we removed the temp folder. Not so much on the temp folder, interesting. Okay, still we need to get the backup file. Cover file. We have from 30 minutes ago. Well, we can try to use this one. I need another hard drive, I know. But most of them are external. I really need to find what I can get. What can I throw away from here? You know what? The terminal is taking a lot of space. I don't need a terminal model. Uh, uh, uh. Uh, save changes. I didn't do any changes to this model today. Is that alive? No, still loading. Okay, here we go. Uh, uh, because I had enough of that, simply I'm gonna remove all of you, all of you, all of you. Simply delete. Thank you. I had enough. Like I'm fighting with windmills here. Control C. Let's get here and Control V. Oh, that one worked. I don't know. No, Control X for you, and we need to place you here. Sure, yeah, it has that one. Okay, so we're gonna do something else. We're gonna take you from here, then we're gonna use up and rotate. Unless we've been broken, so what the? Delete. Let's try again. I want to take you. Control C. No problem. You're fine here, right? One. Everything is fine. No triangulated meshes here. And then we have that guy here that's doing the most of the problems. And I said this one here is not aligned with that one. And yes, that's correct. You was not aligned correctly. When that happened, 1.9er. I'm sure it's 1.9er and not any other. Oh, it's close to 1.9er. Well, I don't think it's gonna influence anything else right now, so I'm gonna do that 1.9er. So this should be straight now. I can close it and Control V. Thank you. I'm gonna try to take you again. Okay, bring you to that point. Oh, one other thing I forgot, I think. Control A. Is that aligned correctly with the grid? This is aligned correctly. This is not aligned correctly. This is not the case here. It should be like that. Yeah, it should be like that. It should get to the end. Take me to the end of love. Yeah, this is how it should be, so that's fine. But this one should be stretched. No, you should not be stretched. You should be aligned. So I'm gonna take you that way and then lock on this face here, and then I'm gonna lock you with that face here. And now, what the? Control Z. Again, taking on the blue, locking on that point, and trying to bring you all the way to that point. Ugh. Let's do the last small thing I can do here. Let's try to rotate you again on this axis. Gonna take that point and try to align it with here, and then I can stretch you until you meet the profile here. but somehow it stopped working with faces. Come on, this one here. I think it's good enough. And I can do like that, but this is too much. No, let's keep it as this one and keep it as it is for now. Okay, now we can remove that one and let's do that one. I should turn you into a unique. One in here, but better here because I have more gap here. So 0, 4, that's fine. And make unique. Okay, move. Looks fine, except this one here. Oh yeah, this should get 1 centimeters inside. So now I see where the problem is. So this can move on that axis, 0, 9er. Well, that should be aligned correctly with the bottom one. I can do the fix easy peasily. Oh no, this doesn't do the fix anymore. Why so? Because we have a leftover here. Come on, now it's this whole segment. Let's make sure there is no more surprises here. Oh, can remove that one. Looks like we have too many segments here. Too many leftovers. Delete. That's correct. Delete. Correct. So let's try to take these 2 points and then move. No, still doesn't work. Oh. So now need to carefully put it on the profile here and remove that one. Is that correct now? Yeah, looks fine here. I don't like this texture. We're gonna fix it in a second. Position. Better. So this has been fixed. And now we're gonna do the same thing with you, my friend. Just hoping there's no more problems here. Move. And like that. As long as the geometry didn't broke, it looks fine and straight, so I'm satisfied. Let's fix the glass. One is here. And this one is here. Oh, what happened here? Probably some leftover. Okay, move. Gonna bring you here. And you should get here. Beautiful. So what is that one? I see. We lost one, guys. We lost him. Well, this shouldn't. Come on. I hate when you're doing things like that. Make group. Enter. So, when things like that happened, oh, he didn't took the face as I wanted him. So one on face, on face, on face. That's good enough. Oh, you didn't paint it on the face. So why is that? Okay, again, there is a magical option using from time to time. Oh, there's so much leftovers. This is such a problematic model, I see. Okay, let's turn it into a solid. Solid, 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 solid tool. Here you are. Fix, fix. Let's see what we've got. Oh, well, almost got it. No, I want to take you. I like the bugs here in this program. Erase. Let's erase this one. Now we can try again to remove you. Delete, delete. Erase. Maybe. No, the same thing. Control A. No, 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 no. Delete. Push pull. I just want to take the you and then bring you down. It doesn't work. But hey, we have something very bad here. Okay, everything been broken. So we need to paint it again. We're gonna take U, Control C, Control A, Shift Delete, Shift V. Almost worked. So we need to make a correction. Move. I'm gonna bring you here. Now we can trim this one. Oh, this isn't trimmed it. It's made even more problems. Is it working? No. That's life. Unfair, but at the end we're gonna fix everything. Move. Line. Okay, let's hope it. Ah, Control A, Shift D. Delete. Let's try again. Control A. Let's look for. No, 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 the wrong option. Where is the inspector? Do we have any open edges here? Nope. Control A, Shift D. It's even worse than I thought. Ugh. It's like don't want to do that anything here. Let's try to select only faces. Delete. Let's try to start dividing it. Let's try to redivide it here. Redivide it here. Doesn't work. Redivide it here. At least something should work. I knew it's gonna be a harder object. Okay, at least one face been generated. Two faces been generated, and the rest just a waste. Okay, the upper one, this one, that one. Looks like we have a success. Delete, 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 delete. I remember when I was a student, I was struggling with the problems with faces that doesn't want to close or be generated. As I said, here a face that doesn't want to be generated. It's too shy, so sometimes you can simply divide it like that and boom. You never understand the logic behind this program. Like you can do that, that, and voila. Have we done that? No, we have another one here. And it's almost done. Oh, that was a long, annoying object. Good. Push pull, 705. Delete. Let's do optimization. Clean up. Merge materials. Merge faces. Okay, this doesn't do. Extension. Clean up. Merge materials. Oh, one second. Erase stereo edges. Starry edges, extension, cleanup. I don't think it's materials. Oh, I'm gonna. Okie dokie. So here's a problem. Apparently, this one, not at the same face. One of the things is simply bring it here, and this should solve the problem when it's turned into one, and then you have only one face. Okay, very good. Bucket out. Let's take the material from here, throw it here. Texture, position, like that. Very good. Bucket out. And now let's drop on all this material the same texture. I hope it's gonna be blue. Yes, everything blue inside, so the texture at least aligned correctly. Oh. Hooray! Yip yip, hooray! Okay, you should. Now, you are moving 1 centimeter inside. Beautiful. And what about you? This is not logical. 80.3 centimeters. Okay, I can live with that. 18.3. Let's bring you here. And then 80.3 out. Good. Now, this one. This is a continuous one. Not good. Make unique. Where that should come. This should sit with that one. Okay. Move. And I won't bring you here, and it's 147.6. 147.6. 147.6. Done. Good. First one is done. Okay, I think over that one we already have the broken beams. It should align with that. Because here we have that one running, and then the beam is also breaking. Okie dokie, no problem. I think I'm gonna grab something to eat, then get back to work. Stop drinking. Good. Hello, hello. So, let's see. What's next? Probably I want to take you. Oh, no. No, the problem comes from here. Now I see. So, apparently, if this is the case, I should create a new one based on this one. Bring it here. Stretch it. And done. Good. Now, let's take that one and that one. Oh, no. What happened? Oh, cold. Why you are not closing it? Probably because there's nothing on the ground. Or less. Or else. 1 second. Now it comes here, so this is the problem. Now I see the problem. Delete, delete, delete. You should get all the way up here. Good. Now, oh no. Keep that one. And that one. And all I need is that. Good. So, make unique. Move. 1. Move. Also, this point is a good one. 2. What happened here? What happened here is that I did a mistake. I see. Well, let's remove that one. Remove that one. And that one can be removed. Move. 1. And move. And 2. How thin you are now. 5.9er. It's too much. Right. Unless we can do that. Oh, it's even worse than I thought. 1 and 2. Okie dokie. 1 here. 1 here. Remove. 1, 2, 3. Move. Duplicate. 5. Now let's remove the leftovers. Oh, you don't want to remove the leftovers. Push pull. 705. Hmm. Push pull. Doesn't work. Let's lock on this axis. Good. I've been push pulled here. Good, but 705. Good. This will go here. This can go here. Let's hope it's gonna work. No, it didn't work. Well, it should be deleted now, but it's not. Maybe the problem is here. Now it should be... No! One, two. Okay, Control C, delete, Shift V, good. Push pull, 705. Okie dokie. Bucket, Alt, drop the material here. Texture, position, bucket, Alt, and let's drop the material over all that face. Now we can bring this one here. This one is here. Good. Control C. Delete. Nope, 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 nope. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I need to remove that one. Shift V. No. Control A. Delete. Shift V. Now, that's good. Line. I want to work on this face. To that face. Very nice. Erase, erase. Oh no, don't remove the bottom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should be offset at 5. 5 centimeters. Good. Very nice. Line. Delete. Push pull. 705 centimeters. Control Shift. Painted. Move. One. Two. Good. And we have some left over here. This one is done. Okay, first one. We can delete you. We can delete you. Control C. Shift V. So where it's starting here. Move. And this should be placed over that one. It's going very good all the way here, but I'm not sure if it's gonna intersect with what I need, but it's aligned correctly. I think it's aligned correctly. Almost. 1 centimeter. Enter. Okay, make unique. Push pull. 1, 2. Delete. Okay, that's fine. Let's clean this one. Make unique. Delete. Good. It's been done? Yes. 80.3. How much it was? 80.3, I think. 18.3. Escape. And this should be make unique. It should be aligned with that one. Okay. Oh, 167 it was, and here it's gonna be 365 decimal niner, 365 decimal niner, 365 decimal niner. Enter. Placed. And next one is placed. Now we have this one. We can already start placing the beams here. Hello, Dasha. Well, Dasha jumped in. Do you want to see Dasha? Let's open the cam. Camera, 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 camera. Dasha, say hello. Say hello. Here's Dasha. I'm gonna show you her. Dash, come here. Come. Come. Say hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera. Yes, you don't like when we are holding you. She really doesn't like when I'm holding her. Dasha, come here. Yes, hello. You've been on camera. Dash, come. Dash. Yeah, she's having fun. Okay. So probably she wants some treats. Yeah, treats, 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 treats. What's going on here? Oh, we ruined something. Yeah, I see. So we ruined it. It should get 80.3. 80.3. So that's the problem. We forgot to turn you into a unique. Nope. Why that happened? That's the problem. Make unique. 300. Oh no, it's not a problem. It's simply bringing you here and then 83. 18.3. Good. Now they are separated. Now we can do the rest. So this is fine. Let's take you, my friend. I'm gonna bring you here. And then we're gonna stretch you accordingly. Good. Ooh, that's interesting. That's a challenging one. Okay, so we need to create a projection. Come on, projection board. This is the closest one you can. Oh no, because it's not working on the blue axis. Now it's on the blue axis, and we have a face to work with. The only problem is that this is not correct. Control X. So make unique. Shift V. Nope. Let's get in. Shift V. Good. So I hope it's not connected to anything. Nope. Okay. This is the frame, so I don't care so much about the frame. What I want to do is bring you here. and bring it to that point, no problem. And here I want to take that area and stretch you accordingly to that surface. Now you're aligned with this surface. Hopefully it's gonna work. I really hope so. And well, this won't be such a big problem. Let's do that. And now intersect face with context. It doesn't get the context because it's not inside the group or selection. Yeah, there's no selection here. So intersect face only with model, but need to do it carefully. Let's see. Yeah, done. Delete, 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 and the rest of that, delete. Oh, and we have something here that can be removed. Very good. So one is done. I hope that this one and this one sits at the same place. I hope so, really hope so. Okay, move. Come on, work. I just want to lock you with the face. Is it locked with the face now? Yes, this is locked with the face. So this is a continue of that one. That's very good. And let's take that one and move you to locked with that face again. 100 and something. Must say that this one is much easier than the Windows. Okay, intersect face with model. Delete, delete. Delete. Okay, the only problem now that this texture is not aligned correctly. Texture, position. Ooh, that's interesting. Let's replace this one with that one. I'm gonna realign the points. Let's lock on the blue axis. Is that locked? Yes. Good. Good. This is fine. This is fine. Okay, packet out. I'm gonna try to reuse you. Packet, paste. But I think due to the broken angle here, it won't align. No, it's aligned. Very nice. Now let's use this one. Good. Oh, and the bottom one. The bottom one doing some troubles. More than that, I see more troubles here. My group. Let's see. How much we have here? 10.9er. Well, I don't think it's gonna work. Why that happened? This is very thick, I must also say. 30 centimeters. And it started with 10.7 centimeters. What I can do, I can take that line from here to here, very nice, and duplicate this one across here to set it with that line. And then we can take this and let's try to do that trick here on that until you reach that point. This should, no, but at least the width will be the same. Hidden, not as good as I wanted, but hey, at least can try to do something. Hidden. Erase. This is cleaned. But probably now I ruined this one. So I can fix it. Just take that, including this one. No, not including this one. Ctrl Z. Deselect this one, and then try to simply stretch it as much as you need. And then Ctrl A to select face with model. Now we have what we need to remove. Good, good. Fine. And we have some leftovers here. Oh, it was connected. Here's the problem. Now we can remove that one. We have the same problem here. Yeah, 30 centimeters, and here it was 11 centimeters. Okay. Let's fix that. Line. Move, duplicate from here to here, but I want to align you. See that point. Good. Okay. Oh, we can remove that one. Nope. This is enough. Move. Control A, intersect face with model. It's even worse. Delete, delete. Good. Hidden lines. Okay. Now we need to take you. Go here, Shift V. Oh. Oh, that's bad. Very, very bad. Okay, make unique. And 80.3. Enter. What happened to that one? Oh, I see. Make unique. Make unique. 18.3. So I just need to inspect this one and what's going on with you exactly. You should get here. How much you holding that one? So you should sit exactly on this one. Not good, not good, not good. Why that happened? Well, I need to take this one, apparently. Without that one, I won't know exactly and for sure how to deal with the situation here. So we got you here. And this should sit, you see, it's not sitting correctly. So this should be shorter. Shorter, 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 shorter. Okay. Come on, you should be sitting on, I want to lock on this face. Please lock on this face. 1 second line. Okay. Scale. Okay. Now it can lock on this face. This should solve the problem. Yes, it's indeed solved the problem. This is 101. 101. Should be a little bit thicker, but like doesn't want to grow. That's enough. But this and this should turn into a unique. Make unique. Move. Delete. One. Okay, make unique. Good. So this is one. Okay. Make unique. Oh, I forgot to count. And this is 583.2, 583.82.3, 583.2. Good. And this can be deleted. Just a waste. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a very bad thing. Hmm. Bad, 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 bad. Now we can fix that. Simply take that, Control C, Control A, delete, Shift V, cleaned. So we managed to clean this one, and probably I have the same problem here. 1, 2, 3, Control C, delete, Control A, delete, Shift V, and optimized. Up, nope. Delete. Oh, delete. Okay, here we have something interesting. Delete. Move. Copy. Oh, it's almost there. Almost. Okay. Very nice. Now we can take this one. Control C. Ooh, this is a unique one. Okay, never mind. Shift V. Okay, is that correct? Yes, this is here. And do we have another column here? This is still running. Probably it's running. I don't see where this one is running. But in this case, we need to realign you. So now we should align you. You are not at the right angle. How can we do it correctly? Okay, good. Let's see what we've got. That looks fine. I think it looks fine. Right. Move. Good. Okay, now this one. Move. Somewhere here, I think it will be good enough. What just happened here? Did I ruin it again? Yeah, I ruined it again. And broke it again. Broke it again. So fix it later. I wish I knew how much I did it yesterday. I'm gonna keep it here for now. Okay, here it's fine. Here it's not fine. I see the problem. Okay, how are we gonna turn you into a unique one? What the? So, nope. Oh, I see the problem. It's totally broken. Make unique? Nope. It's like not aligned. Ugh. Control X. Shift V. Then I'm getting here. It's getting terrible. This is like that. But it's only here. So you should be unique. Okay. Oh, I see. So now we fixed it. I think we fixed it. It ends here. Okay. I think I managed to fix that one. I don't like it when things like that happen, but better now than ever. Okay, this shouldn't be here. This column is not here anymore. Delete. I hope it's not gonna affect anything else. Which one you gonna affect now? Only this one. Okie dokie. This one is here. This one is here. And also this one is broken. Okay, this is fine. Oh, nope. So this one is done. Now we can duplicate this one from here to here. And this is gonna be interesting. Alrighty tighty. Let's get back here. Delete. And we should take you from here to here. Good luck. Oh, no. This is much worse than I thought. This is going 3. Damn, damn, damn. Damn, 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 damn. Let's see if this goes here. That's mean we have a column here. Not sure this is a column. We need to get a photo from this area and make sure what's going exactly here. Let's see what you have to say. Oh no, nothing here. Hello, Paspas. How are you, my darling? Well, we need to take this one too from here all the way here. That's terrible, terrible, terrible. What just happened here? I know what happened here. How much we should remove you? 1, 2, 3, 33.7. 33.7. This is should be a unique. Okay, 33.7. Okay, why you are not moving? Because this is something much bigger. I hope you are not going to be affected. Okay, 33.7. Move. 33.7. Enter. Okie dokie. Now, this one, 33.7. Oh my. Alrighty tighty. Now, this one, let's hope. No, this should be unique. Move. Make unique. That's interesting. I think I see the problem here. So, look like this one can move even more. Let's see. I can move you all the way on the red one. Now it's like not getting where I want. 6.2. Okay, so 6.2 it is. Move. 602. Move. 602. And I move this one 602. No, so we need to move you. 602. 602. First one is done. Let's hope this one haven't broken. No, still in the right place. Very good. Next one. First, make unique. Now, we need to remember the dimension we're using here. It's 256.4. 256.4. Make unique. 256.4. 256.4. Make unique. Move. 256.4. Good. Move. 256.4. Good. What about you, my friend? Let's move you to 256.4. So here it's a little bit differently, because this one is a little bit more straight than what it is. Okay, this is a leftover. Erase. Good. Good, good, good. No problem at all. But the problem with this column is like getting here, but you need to get here. Sorry, not column, beam. The beam should get here. Okay, so if this is the beam, 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 beam. Let's take you and move you another. So how do we know where it's from here to here? So this is the result, and let's stretch you more so you get intersected with that one. Oh, come on. Where is that stretching? I think this is enough, even a little bit less. Like that. This, or let's, nothing to, oh, here it is. Here it is. Good one. Ah, no. Only 6. Okay. My cat doing some noises that's probably saying that she wants some food. Okay, so if this is the case here, Control C, go and get here, Shift V, and what I want to do is move it from here to here, and then we want to take you and align you with that one, but we should be centered. One here. Are we correct? No. Here. And this should move 2.5, right? 2.5, 205. I hope this is correct. Great. So this is intersecting with that one. The funny. Now this aligned with that one here. Almost aligned. Beautiful. Okay. At least it's getting somewhere now. Make unique. Delete. Delete. Move. And the moving gonna be 475.5. 475.5. 475.5. Make unique. 475.5. Make unique. 475.5. Enter. 475.5. 475.5. No. Control Z. 475.5. Enter. Good. Now it's done and set. And also this one is broken. Why? Should we turn it into a unique one? No, it's only here. Interesting. So apparently I ruined it in some point. Then I can fix it. Okay, bring it back here. Very good. Okie dokie. This is not needed anymore, so only this small segment is left. I need to take a look at the photo here. This happens here. 1, 2, 1, 1.5. So this goes 3. Look at that. Here it's going 2. What an headache. One and a half. I need to take a rest. I've had enough of that. So I need to inspect this area again. Make unique. Move. Let's do this here. Good. And I didn't look how much I moved you. So you moved here. And let's make you unique. Let's see the result. Move. So we are moving you 695.2. 695.2. 695.2. 695.2. Alright? 695.2. Alrighty tighty. Okay, this needs to be fixed now. Move. Oh. Good. Good. Well, it's a bit more here, less here. I can move it 1 centimeter. Fine. Yeah, but this is a little bit high. Why you're so high? You should be here, apparently. Is that correct? Oh, we forgot that. But something wrong. I ruined it. Okie dokie. Push pull. Probably I forgot to make it unique. Forgot to turn you into a unique, so you should be 690 something. Come on, where's the axis? Here it is, 695.2. Yeah, I know which one of them was that. That one. Okay. Make unique. 695. Yeah, it will be easier simply to push pull it all the way here. Ugh, can't believe it took all day. Let's see what the situation here, how many faces we have. Okay, 16,000. 16,000 faces. I'm trying to remember how much I said there are gonna be in total. Ugh. Why are you doing me a problem, my friend? Which one you're affecting? Oh, you're affecting this one and this one. And all that one. That's a problem. Right. So, probably the problem started from here. Nope. Make... Not sure if I'm gonna turn it into a unique. I also cannot turn it into a unique, so let's explode this one. And then we can turn it into a unique one. And then, probably, it will affect on these three, but here, it won't affect anyone. Very good. We nailed it. Yeah, I'm in the wrong component. Good. I need to understand how this beam running here. Good. Come on. You don't want to join here, so we can join this like that. And you wonder. Looks like you want some food. Yeah, we can do that. Then it will be logical, but look at that, it's too high. So how can we make it better? Unless we're gonna do 1.05 like that. Let's take a look. Is that better now? Much better, but it was 101, so 10005 should solve the problem. Let's say 1005 almost solved the problem. Maybe it's gonna work. Move. And this one. Can insert it here, and probably this is gonna be enough. Alrighty tidy. Alrighty tidy. So here we can get, ooh, lost you. Oh no. Okay, well, I'm just wasting my time on that one. Nobody gonna see these details. getting tired now. And also, I need to wake up early tomorrow because I have a very important Zoom at the morning. So I'm thinking if this was enough for today, or let's try at least close this one and then we will do other things. So this is a component. So make unique and let's start the fun. So the fun starts here when we need to bring you, well, even triangle will be enough to lock you on the face. But the question is how much? Or unless, let's take this face, Control C, double click, delete, Shift V, very good. Now simply gonna create a new face, bring it here, very good. And now we need 705 centimeters. I think this is the fastest way. Ooh, let's take a look at the photo here. This is a small and then the small turn into that one. Pause, no, stop, 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 stupid cats. Stupid cat, no, no. I'm shouting on my cat because she's stupid. But she had food. Pasa. Okay, very good. Now, these two can go, but probably I need to consider that this and this will be duplicated on the next. So this is 99 centimeters, and that's what's going on here. Very good. I think this is the correct situation here. And voila, this and this are not needed anymore. This is fine. And push-pull, duplicate, 705. I just need to get a good texture for you, my friend. This one. Paz, what happened? And now let's align the texture. Bucket, out, and drop this texture all over. Good. So this is done. Oh, hello to you, my darling. I heard that you want some food. You should get here. This is fine. Very good. What happened, my darling? You want some food? Look at her. Look at her. Look at the camera. Say hello. You've been filmed, my darling. You know that you are being filmed. Yeah. Let's jump on the table now. Okay, guys. Do you want to see some National Geographic today? I think the time came. Here we go. Some comic time, guys. We've got our favorite treat. So when I'm saying she's sitting on the keyboard, that's what I mean. She simply sometimes stuck herself on the keyboard, like in this position, and she's preventing me from working. Unless we give her a treat, and I think today is a good time to give her some treat. What do you say? Are you allowing me to give her a treat? Pass, look at the camera. Look at the camera here. Nope, 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 nope. Here, look, say hello. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Oh, you want a treat, right? Okay, enough is enough. Let's finish that because we want to at least get back to the work. Okay, here, have fun. But look at the camera when you're doing that. Okay. Did you had enough? I don't think she had enough. Okay, now I think you had enough. Because also Dasha need to get some treat. That's good. Let's get some treat for Dasha. Dash, come. Now it's your turn. Dash, dash. Okay, look, you dropped some. Okay, pass. Let's try to give it a little bit more. Okay, this is all the treats we have today. I'm gonna throw it away here. So now you feel fine? You won't sit on the keyboard anymore? You won't sit on the keyboard, my darling? Or you're still gonna sit on the keyboard? Well, speaking with cats, no logic. Yeah, okay, good. This one is done, so now it's your turn. But need to make sure this is not... Okay, we can ruin this one. Okay, very good. Now, move. How are we gonna align it correctly? And now we need to move you 1 centimeter. 1. Is it 1, right? Or is it more? It's 1. Okay, no problem. Very nice. So what we're doing with you, my friend? Texture, position. No, I did wrong. Texture, position. Rotate 90 degrees, enter. Okay, we have you, so we can bring you here. And we have this one here, texture, position. Rotate 90 degrees, good. Bucket, out. We can do erase. Oh, rotate 90. Oh, come on, darling. Stop, 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 stop. You get your treat. This is enough. No more treats for today. Texture, position. Rotate 90. Enter. Bucket out. So this is done. Pause. Pause, pause. Can you move, please? So this is done. Delete. Okay, make unique. So now we have this column running all across. So here, I wonder, no, this is a component, but this is only here. Duplicate, Okay. What about you? Probably this is gonna affect more than one. Am I right? No, only here. Ugh. Good. But why I'm doing this one? Because this running all across. Okay, this running all across. And here we need to see if we need to add more. Good. Alrighty tighty. Oh, goes fine, this goes fine. So a lot of inspection need to be done over this object. But look at that, this part is done. So now we can start working on that part before getting to the bridge, or even working on that part. I wonder what size is this one. 8.7. I don't think I have any um, similar object that looks like this one. Also here we will need to cut it. Gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, this is fine, this is fine. Hope this wasn't not affected here. Right, well, this should get also affected here. So, hope this is free one, very good. Isn't it? Well, I really need to get view over segments here. This is such a annoying view. So, guys, thank you for watching, I think, for today. I'm getting tired. And as I said, tomorrow I'm gonna have a very early Zoom meeting at work, so need to prepare for that. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know what. Well, see you next time. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.